Hello there, darlings! In the Halloween spirit, I decided to have some fun, play around, and transform myself into the iconic TV personality Kim Kardashian.
You're never satisfied with what you have. Every day's an off day if you don't get your way. Scream more, more, more until your throat gets sore. Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby. Get out tonight. Oh, get out tonight. Oh yeah, you know what I want. Never pants in any weather. The world revolves around you. Gritty and a bit needy. That's what I like about you. Your perky, pouting lips, oh, put your love on me. Oh, I beg and bribe to get to you, but how much can I pay? Oh, jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby. Get out tonight.
Oh my stars! Would you look at me? When I saw myself in the mirror, I had to laugh. But I had so much fun with this crazy and bold look. Watch out, everyone. There's a new Kardashian in town.